This is a picture of the City Hall of Jasper. It resembles the nucleus. The function of the nucleus is to control the cell's main functions. The City Hall resembles the nucleus because it makes decisions and controls the city of Jasper. This is a picture of a copy machine. It resembles the nucleolus. The function of the nucleolus is to carry the genetic information of the cell and make copies of it. The copy machine resembles the nucleolus because the copy machine can copy other things and make them look like identical items. This is a picture of a highway. The highway resembles the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, whatever floats your boat. The function of the smooth is to synthesize many oils, steroids, and phospholipids, and it also provides the passageway for materials to pass by. The highway resembles the smooth because the highway provides a passageway for people to travel by. This is a picture of a sponge. Duh, right? It resembles the rough in its structure. The rough function is to synthesize proteins and phospholipids and also put secretory proteins into transport vesicles and send them to the Golgi apparatus. The rough is shaped like a sponge because it has parts where it's smooth and parts where it's rough. This is a picture of the United States Post Office. It resembles the Golgi apparatus. The main function of the Golgi apparatus is to package and distribute things within the cell. The United States Post Office does the same thing. It can package and distribute packages. This is a picture of the Alabama Power Building. It resembles the mitochondria. The function of the mitochondria is to basically provide the cell with energy through a process called cellular respiration, and it is usually referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Alabama Power provides the city with power and acts as a power source of the city. This is a picture of a solar panel. It resembles a chloroplast. The function of a chloroplast is to take sunlight and turn it into chemical energy through a process called photosynthesis. The solar panel takes energy provided by the sun and converts it into usable energy to provide power. This is a picture of a refrigerator. It resembles a vacuole. The function of the vacuole is to store food and water for later use. The refrigerator is like a vacuole because it can store food and water for later use. This is a picture of a lizard's mouth. Austin's wizard lizard, to be exact. It resembles lysosomes. The function of the lysosomes is to hydrolyze food, whole cells, and damaged cell parts. So basically, it digests stuff within the cell. The lizard's mouth is like lysosomes because it can take food and break it down, digest it, just like it's breaking down or trying to break down Austin's finger in this picture. This is a picture of a framework of a building. It resembles the cytoskeleton. The function of the cytoskeleton is to provide mechanical support, maintain cell shape, and provide anchorage for many organelles in the cell. The framework of this building resembles the cytoskeleton because the framework will provide support for the building and maintain the building's shape, hopefully. This is a picture of a fishing pole. It resembles the centrioles. The function of the centrioles is to help in the formation of spindle fibers that separate the chromosomes during cell division. The fishing pole resembles the centrioles because the fishing pole can be like the centriole itself and the fishing line can be like the centrioles' spindle fibers. This is a picture of a fence with a gate. It resembles the plasma cell membrane. The function of the plasma cell membrane is to protect the cell by allowing certain types of molecules to pass through but not others. The fence resembles the cell membrane because it keeps unwanted stuff out of the area, and the gate opens to allow certain things to pass through.